All right, let's talk a little bit about angles. Angles. An angle is formed by two rays with a common endpoint. You can see by our picture, this is what an angle is. And we got our two rays with the common endpoint of B. Okay. Our common endpoint is called a vertex. The rays are called the sides. We're going to name an angle using 3 letters, and the middle letter must always be the vertex. So I don't think I gave you this example. This one right here would be angle A, B, C. That middle letter tells us that B is the vertex. Okay, some types. We got our acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees. Our obtuse, greater than 90 degrees. Our right angle, which is equal to 90 degrees. And our straight line, which is equal to 180 degrees. Our angle addition postulate is similar to our segment addition postulate, which says that our angle ABD plus our angle DBC, adding up those two angles, it's going to give us the total of ABC. Okay, quickly, let's look at some examples. We got our angles, and here's what our problem says. Our angle ABD is 48 degrees. DBC is 78. Let's find the total of ABC. Label your angles, 48 and 78. Our postulate says that ABD plus the DBC equal, that's a lot of letters, guys, ABC. Basically, one angle plus the other angle equals the big angle. So 48 plus 78 equals our ABC. Our ABC is total to 26 degrees. Step 1, draw a picture. Step 2, label your picture. Step 3, I guess, is label your picture again. Step 4 is plug in what you know. Step 5 is solve. And this one is just telling you to look back at your problem. If it asks you to solve for the variable, then solve for the variable and stop there. If it asks you to find an angle, make sure to pay attention to what angle, plug in your variable for that angle. All right, examples again. DBC 74. ABC is 119, so our big angle is 119 this time. Let's find ABD, plug in what we know, solve for unknown. ABD is 45 degrees. Okay, we're going to be using a lot of X's, obviously, like we have in the past. So here's this example. MKL is 83, JKL is 127, and JKM is 9x minus 10. Labeling, plug in what we know. We know 9x minus 10 plus our 83 equals the total of 127. And we can solve for x, combine like terms, start to get x by itself, continue to get x by itself, x is 6. So this time our question just asked us to solve for x, so that is all we need to do. This example is going to tell us to find each measure. So again, here's our picture. Here's labeling our picture. That small angle is 5x plus 1. The medium-sized one is 62 degrees, and the big one is 18x plus 11. So let's plug in what we know. 5x plus 1 plus 62 equals 18x plus 11. Combine like terms. Get x on one side. Now get x on that side by itself. and x is 4. It asks us to find each measure. So that means we need to find what angle E of f. We need to plug in that x for 5x plus 1 and get our measure, and then plug it into our other equation and get the measure of the big angle. All right, while you're working through these, let me know if you have any questions.